Alright guys, in this lesson we'll be setting up WordPress on our newly hosted domain. Now if what we done in the last lesson we done correctly, on the site over here dnschecker.org, we'll be able to see that our name servers are now not of the Namecheap standard name servers, but instead the HostGator name servers that we were provided. Okay, so if you come over to dnschecker.org /ns-lookup.php, or you simply go on Google and you type in name server lookup, there's many sites to be able to carry out this sort of action. You will then be able to see if we done this correctly and your name servers have transferred over. Alright, it's very, very straightforward. All you do, you get your domain. Okay, so mine is selfadmire.com. Show NS records, and boom, we can see that the name servers are now the HostGator name servers. So that's great stuff right there. We are ready now to install WordPress. So what we want to do is cross this and go back to cPanel. Now that we're back inside cPanel, what we want to do is, this is the dashboard that we see, right? And one of the first things that we see over here is WordPress installer. And using the WordPress installer, we will be installing WordPress on our site. And it's very straightforward actually. It's just a few clicks and boom, we're going to have our WordPress site set up. So let's do this. Now let's just let that load up. And once it's loaded up, we can set our WordPress up. So selfadmire.com, and we don't want to create no directory. Okay, you want to leave it just like that so the WordPress installs on the main domain. So some people may opt for selfadmire.com/blog, so the WordPress is hosted there, and then selfadmire.com can be used for something else. But no, when setting up this viral news site, we want to set up our entire WordPress setup on this domain. Now all we want to do is insert any blog title. For now, we don't have to go into the details, so I'll just click type in selfadmire. Okay, admin user, we'll call that admin. My name, Abdullah Ashraf. Admin email, I'll just put in my personal address, ashraf7@hotmail.com. Boom. Terms of service agreement, agree, install. Okay, now give this literally a few moments, and before you know it, WordPress will be installed on your site. So as you can see right now, here's my username, there's my password. I go over to login. Okay, I'll take the password because I know that the username is admin, and if done correctly, boom, we'll be able to see the WordPress login. So I type in admin, I insert the password, and before you know it, I will be inside my WordPress dashboard. We have successfully set up WordPress on our newly hosted domain. As you can see, it's very straightforward, and for now that's that. In the next lesson, we'll be going through setting up your theme on your WordPress site, and finally getting into the setting up your viral news site and making it look aesthetic and ready to publish content and start getting traffic. Alright, so that's me, Abdullah Ashraf, for this lesson, and I look forward to catching you on the next one.